Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Hi, my name's Alex Copeland and I work with Richard Fairburn and the Online Success Model team. And this is another video in our affiliate tips course. This one's about the 7 deadly sins of list marketing. Now, as I've mentioned, while it's true that the money is in the list, you can easily mess this up by committing any one of the following deadly mistakes. If you make just one mistake, that may be enough to kill your list marketing business. So it's a good idea to pay close attention to what I'm about to share. Deadly sin number 1, attracting the wrong type of list member. If you want to be successful with your list, you have to attract the right people. These are people who are actually interested in your updates and your emails that you're sending out. They actually want to hear what you have to say and click on the links that you share in your emails. Those links are what make you the money. So it makes absolutely no sense to build a list of people who have no interest in hearing from you. But how would you attract this wrong list member? Well, first of all, you might be using a single opt-in. In other words, when people enter their email address, they are automatically put on your list. Now, this is great for getting people to not have to click something to sign up, but it's a problem because people can enter any email, whether it's fake or not, just to get the freebie you're offering. They really couldn't care less about any of your updates, and that's when you're going to make your money. That's the wrong person. One way to get around this is to set up a double opt-in system where they have to click a confirmation link. This increases the chances of a real email address, and it also increases the chances they'll be ready to listen to what you have to say. Another way to make sure you get the right people is to qualify them before they sign up for your list. Show them the sort of content you're going to be sending them, what your list is going to offer, what kind of problems you're going to give them the solutions to. Now, if they then sign up knowing all this, they're going to look out for what you have to send them. Now, if you don't do this sort of thing, then you will get the wrong list member, and it can be a very costly mistake. Deadly sin number 2, sending out too many emails. Different people have different opinions on this. You are always going to find people saying completely the opposite to what I'm about to tell you. But if you send out emails on an almost daily basis, your list members may find you annoying. Doesn't matter how informative your emails are, eventually they're just not going to want to open them because they think they're an annoyance. However, it's true to say that once you build a good relationship, they'll be looking forward to you emailing them, so every day isn't a chore. But you need to be careful, especially at the beginning. Deadly sin number 3. This is the other side of the same coin, sending out too infrequently. Now, believe it or not, if you don't send enough emails, this could also kill your responsiveness. So remember, when people sign up for your mailing list, they're actually looking to get information from you. If you don't send out the information soon enough or regular enough, they'll have forgotten who you are. They won't open the email and you've just lost that subscriber. Deadly sin number 4. Sending updates that are just way too commercial in nature and nothing else. If it's obvious that you're just trying to make money off of your emails all of the time, then people are not going to waste their time reading your emails. They'll feel they're being taken advantage of. They feel you're just trying to make money. And while this is true, you want to make money, it shouldn't be your sole purpose for sending them an email. Do yourself a big favor. Don't put an affiliate link in some of your emails. Instead, just give them the information. Sure, it makes sense if you're talking about a certain problem or solution to put a link in for that solution. You've described what the solution is, and that's pre-qualifying people to click on that link. But it doesn't always have to be about making that money. Remember, you need to build your relationship with them too. Deadly sin number 5. Ignoring the quality of your headline, your subject line. If you just write your email subject line based on what comes to mind, chances are you're doing it wrong, unless you're a very skillful marketer. You have to understand that people are busy, busy, busy. They have so many other things to do. You have to catch their eye, and every minute you invest in crafting a high quality headline can pay off. You need to increase your open rates for anyone to see your message or click your link, so the amount of time you spend there is crucial. Deadly sin number 6, failure to call your readers to action. Imagine this. You convinced someone that your content is going to be awesome and you got them to sign up. You may have even got them to open your email and they're going to read it. You've got them all pumped up about a solution and then you don't get the sale. Now this happens all the time because marketers use emails that do a very poor job of calling their recipients to action. You cannot assume that people know what to do next. You have to spell it out for them. You have to be clear about the action that they need to take to go further into this solution and make you money. The more you do this, the more money you make. Deadly sin number 7, failure to promote the right products. Now let's imagine you did everything else right. You can still drop the ball if the affiliate product you're promoting to your list simply doesn't match the needs of your list. It really all boils down to matching the offer with the people. For example, if you have a mailing list composed of young mums and they're interested in baby shoes and the latest ways to do things, it doesn't make sense to send out an email promoting testosterone shots. There's a huge disconnect between the offer in your email and the needs of the people who are on your list. Okay, that's an extreme case, but you get the idea. You need to get something that actually resonates with your list. Now commit any of the 7 deadly sins mentioned here and you could be kissing your mailing list potential goodbye.